Hello, this is Laura, and welcome to Become a Fluent English Speaker. Welcome to day 60 of your English Fluency Challenge. And today, I just want to say something important before anything else. You did it! Seriously! You completed 60 days of continuous English practice. Growth, discipline, and self-improvement. Take a moment and truly appreciate yourself. Because most people start, very few continue, and even fewer finish. But you are here, day 60, the final day of this challenge. Let me ask you something honestly. Do you remember how you felt in the beginning? Maybe you felt nervous while speaking English. Maybe you overthought every sentence. Maybe you were afraid of mistakes or lacked confidence. But look at yourself now. You can express thoughts naturally. You can speak with more confidence. You understand conversations more easily. And most importantly, you no longer fear English the same way. That is transformation. Today is not only about English. Today is about discipline, patience, consistency, and personal growth. Let me tell you something important. Fluency is not a destination where suddenly one day you become perfect. Fluency is a journey of continuous improvement, confidence, and communication. And you're already on that path now. Let's reflect together for a moment. During these 60 days, you practice speaking, listening, storytelling, confidence, emotional communication, spontaneous speaking, group conversations, professional English, persuasive speaking, and natural fluency. You trained your brain to think differently. You built new habits. You became more expressive and more confident. That is not small progress. That is real transformation. Now let's go deeper. I want you to understand something powerful. The biggest change was not your grammar or vocabulary. The biggest change was your mindset. You stopped waiting to become perfect before speaking. You started communicating more naturally. You became comfortable making mistakes and continuing anyway. That is the real secret of fluency. Let's practice something meaningful together. Speak about your journey honestly. When I started this challenge, I felt continue. Talk about your fears, struggles, improvements, and confidence. Keep your tone honest and emotional. This is your story now. Now let's move to your first reflection exercise. Think about one moment during this challenge when you realized you were improving. Maybe you spoke longer than before. Maybe you understood English faster. Maybe you felt more confident during conversations. Describe that moment in English naturally. These moments matter because they prove your growth. Now, your second exercise is future vision. Your journey does not end today. In fact, this is only the beginning. Speak about your future English goals. From now on, I want to continue improving by continue. Talk about speaking more, practicing daily, meeting people, or building confidence further. Keep your mindset positive and focused. Now let's go deeper. Your third exercise is identity transformation. Say this slowly and confidently. I am becoming a confident English speaker. Again, I am becoming a confident English speaker. The words you repeat shape your mindset. Confidence grows through repetition and belief. Now let's practice real reflection. Imagine someone asks, "What did this challenge teach you?" You respond, "This challenge taught me that consistency is more powerful than perfection, and small daily practice can completely transform confidence over time." This sounds powerful and mature. Now, let's move to something emotional. Your fourth exercise is gratitude. Think about yourself 60 days ago. That version of you decided to begin. That version of you continued despite doubts, fear, and difficult days. Be grateful for your own effort. Progress happens because you did not quit. And now let me share something important. English fluency is not only about language. It is about confidence, opportunities, communication, and personal growth. When you improve your communication, you improve your ability to connect with the world. That is powerful. Now let me talk to you honestly. I am proud of you. Not because your English became perfect, but because you stayed committed to growth. You kept showing up, day after day. That discipline will help you far beyond English. And remember something important. You do not need to stop now. Keep listening, keep speaking, keep practicing, keep growing. Because every conversation, every mistake, and every new experience will continue improving your fluency naturally. Now let's do one final exercise together. Speak for 1 minute about the person you are becoming. Start through this journey. I have become more. Continue. Talk about your confidence, mindset, communication skills, discipline, and future goals. Keep your tone strong and emotional. Now let me give you one final powerful tip. Never say, "My English is bad." Instead, say, "My English is improving every day." Your mindset shapes your reality. Now let's do one final practice. Imagine someone asks, "Are you fluent in English now?" You respond, "I am continuously improving every day, and I feel much more confident expressing myself naturally in English than ever before." This sounds honest, confident, and real. Now before we finish, I want you to take action one last time. Write in the comments, "Day 60 complete." And this time, write one message to your past self from day 1. Encourage that version of yourself. Remind yourself why continuing mattered. This is Laura, and from the bottom of my heart, thank you for being part of Become a Fluent English Speaker. Remember, real fluency is not perfection. Real fluency is confidence, consistency, courage, and connection. Congratulations on completing this journey. I will see you again very soon.